Hello everyone, and welcome back to Caring Guy, your go-to channel for honest, hands-on tech and drone reviews. Today, we're checking out the new GT50 Bumblebee Drone, a versatile quadcopter that promises a fun flying experience with smart features, a built-in camera, and easy controls suitable for beginners and hobby pilots alike. Right out of the box, the GT50 catches your eye with its compact, foldable design. Folded up, it's just about 14 by 8 by 7.5 centimeters, making it super portable. Unfolded, it expands to around 30 by 30 by 7.5 centimeters, ready to take on your next adventure, whether that's outdoor flying or backyard fun. This drone features a brushless motor system, giving it smoother power, better efficiency, and longer life than brushed motors. Combined with optical flow positioning, the Bumblebee stays stable in the air, making capturing clearer videos and images easier, even during slow or stationary flight. One of the highlights here is the intelligent obstacle avoidance system. This gives the GT50 the ability to sense and navigate around obstacles during flight, a nice safety boost for beginner pilots or indoor flying sessions. The camera setup is also pretty neat. You get a front-mounted camera with a remote-controlled 90-degree tilt, so you can change your angle on the fly and frame shots just the way you want. There's also a high-definition bottom optical flow lens for enhanced hovering precision and smoother footage. With a 3.7-volt, 1300 mAh rechargeable lithium battery, the GT50 delivers around 20 minutes of flight time per charge, solid for most recreational flights. Recharging takes about 90 minutes using the USB intelligent charging system. Control-wise, you'll enjoy a 4.5-inch built-in screen on the controller, giving you live FPV streaming right in your hands, no phone needed. The 2.4G signal provides reliable control and responsiveness out to a good distance for casual flying. Whether you're learning how to fly your first drone, capturing aerial clips for social media, or simply enjoying some weekend fun, the GT50 Bumblebee Drone packs plenty of features into an affordable, beginner-friendly package. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tech and drone reviews here on Caring Guy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.